चलना है मुश्किल तो जल्दी ही सही, आँखों के किनारों में बहाने ही सही। हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में, धड़कने भी तेज है अब क्या करें। वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें।
Good morning, folks. Today is 29th, our third day, starting the third day for the expedition. We started from Rampur yesterday. So after the first day of very horrible broken roads till Rampur and a 12-hour journey, yesterday was a pleasant surprise. The roads through Kinnor and up till Tabo were really nice. People got their first taste of how the mountains look like, how the Spiti Valley looks like. And we are now at Tabo. It's 29th morning and we are on our way to Kaza. We would end the day today at Losar after going through the Hikkim post office and the Cheecham bridge. So far it's been a smooth sailing. People have really enjoyed the outdoors, and many of them who have never even seen these great big Himalayas are just awestruck at the wonder. And overall, yes, it's been good. We have had water. It's very, very pleasant. It's 13 degrees out here in the morning at 7, which is very, very rare. You know, you usually have it come down to less than 10. But gods have been great and they have been favorable. So I hope it stays that way. More to come.
शब्दों के पहाड़ों पे लिखी है दास्तां, ख्वाबों के लिफाफों में छुपा है रास्ता। हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में, धड़कने भी तेज है अब क्या करें। ओ वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें।
बहुत ही बढ़िया सीनरी है, काफ़ी आउटवर्डली एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत डिफरेंट फीलिंग है। फिर से आने का पक्का मन है फैमिली के साथ, और फिर से गरनोर के साथ तो आना ही है ही, मानिक सर के साथ। आई होप ये छुट्टी थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड हो। बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है।
place with my passion of off-roading, which got bite me in recent times, is an excellent place to be in. And the able leadership of Mr. Manik, who has guided the entire tour with his meticulous, everything has been spot on, nothing to worry. Everybody should do it once in a life, this kind of expedition, to keep the free himself or herself and out the soul. This is the best expedition I have ever done.
Yeah, good afternoon from this highest post office.
What is the date today? I don't know. And what is the day of our expedition? I don't know. But all I know is right now we are at Hikkim.
It's a working, functioning post office, and from here, it feels so good that I can send a letter to my loved one, to my wife at home, and it will reach her before I reach home. So it feels really wonderful, and I think she will be very happy that she's still getting a handwritten letter.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे
All 14 chimneys over here came perfectly fine. And by the way, there are two roads that come to Hikkim. One is a proper metalled Pakka road and one is a rough, bumpy road. Because we were all on chimneys, we took the rough road. It was a bloody beautiful drive.
As your heart shows only time. We gotta
सवाल ये है, ऋषभ बहुत बड़े फूडी है, उनको खाना पीना बहुत पसंद है, तो आपकी सबसे फेवरेट डिश कौन सी है?
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए
And after this, we are heading to Chacham Bridge, and we are ready to capture some very fantabulous photos.
This is the Chicham Bridge. This is the highest suspension bridge in all of Asia. Such a big thing, right? And the ride to here was also really good. Frankly, I mean, it's getting better day by day. First day, okay. Second day, good. Today, amazing, amazing. You have mountains here, you have valleys here. There's a gorge here. Perfect. I can't ask for anything more. बढ़िया, मजा आ गया.
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुझे यकीन हो गया आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ये दिल यहीं खो गया
गिरा गिरा है चांदिया तेरी है रोशनी उड़ी उड़ी सी है
In the evening, I'm told that we'll have a view of the galaxy available from between 9 to about 10. So we hope to capture that and show you some really mesmerizing views in the night. Good morning, folks. Our media team has caught me just as I got up today morning and having tea. We are at Losar. We reached here at around 5 in the evening yesterday. So far, the drive has been really good. People have really enjoyed. The views of the Spiti Valley along the river yesterday were mesmerizing. Today, I have given them some more time to sleep. We have a very short distance, ideally about only 2 hours, but being in a convoy will take around 3 to 4 hours. We are going to go to Chandratal. As you can see, the weather is absolutely clear. We had a cold night yesterday, but it wasn't as cold as Losar is usually. It's been warm, and I think we will be going to Kunzum, spend some time at the top, and then proceed to Chandatal today. I hope that people get to relax and enjoy nature at the lake, and then we'll proceed next day to Jispa. And that's about the plan that we have till right now.
फिर से उड़ चला, उड़ के छोड़ा है जहान नीचे, मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले हवा। अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर।
We started with straight roads and we've been on curves the last few days. And now I feel like I don't want these curves to ever end because it's brought us here to this beautiful sunshine just in the middle of nowhere. It's so peaceful. Wish we could stay here forever.
फिर से उड़ चला, मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से झाड़ो फिर आ जाते हैं। इतने सारे सपने क्या कहूँ, किस तरह से मैंने तोड़े हैं, छोड़े हैं।
Going solo, I can't enjoy the view. I can't look around because I have to focus on the road. So that's the one disadvantage of not having company and riding solo. But
उड़े खुली आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, खुली है जो पर कहे ये नजर, लगता है अब है जागे हम। फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो
थिंक जो एक्सपेक्टेड था उससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है। स्नो पीक एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किए थे, सबने बोला था काफ़ी धूप रहती है तो तब तक सब पिघल जाएगा, बट हवा है, स्नो पीक्स है, राइड अच्छी है, रास्ते बेकार है बट गाड़ी अच्छी है तो
जो भी हो सो। उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, किसी ने छुआ तो ही हुआ, फिरते हैं महके महके हम। हुई है कई बातें नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम। हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए, बस एक पल में हम बदल गए। ओहो अब तो
Good afternoon, guys. We have just reached Andartal base camps. We are staying at Pemathang camps. All these campsites that you see are booked by us. Just had tea. We will now be proceeding for lunch, and then after lunch, another 3 kilometers up on my left, and we'll go and visit the beautiful Chandratal Lake. They have done a good job. We have a dining room here and all the individual campsites. People are helping us take the luggage in, and we've been served very nice cardamom tea when we arrived. I think that's what we can expect. It's more than a luxury to have these kind of facilities in such remote areas. All of us have been doing well. Today morning, we had a few cases of people having a headache or nausea and all. But as the day progressed, and once they were all active, it is all back to normal. Losar and Chandratal are approximately at the same height. So as you come from Tabo, Kunzum, you usually get acclimatized. But take it slow. Take at least 2-3 days to reach here also, so that you shouldn't have a severe AMS develop or set in. And more to come in the evening. We'll show you some real nice galaxy views. Our media team is an expert on that, so hoping to see that.
तो मेरी इच्छा है कि यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा वाइल्ड ईगल दिख जाए, या फिर पता नहीं लेपर्ड है भी कि नहीं, बट कोई भी वाइल्ड लाइफ दिख जाए, आई बी वेरी हैप्पी. तो इसीलिए पूरा किट लेके घूम रहा हूँ.
Right now we are having lunch, and the plan is now we all drive about, like I said, that side around 5 kilometers. We park our vehicles and then go to the lake.
Yeah, I finished visiting Chandratal, nice blue waters, and I enjoyed it. Took a couple of pictures as keepsakes, and it's very nice to hear the sound of this stream. Very nice, gentle sound. Of course, going up and down is a little tiring, but if one does it at their own pace, it's okay.
अभी इधर हमें चंद्रताल लेक देखने के लिए आए हैं. इधर बहुत सुंदर है.